Okay, this is People of the State of Michigan versus Marquand Suttle, docket number 20-85FC. And this is the time set for a pretrial conference. Mr. Suttle is present remotely, as well as his attorney, Mr. Austin, and Mr. Stevens for the people. And what's the outcome here of our pretrial?
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm appearing on behalf or for Ms. Matusko, who has a couple matters scheduled today. She's in 54B and then also in 55th. I was uncertain if a pretrial statement had already been completed, so I completed them this morning. Mr. Austin responded with completing his section, and then I emailed that to you, I think, before you began your last case. Thus far, there have been some, I wouldn't say an official step has been made, just as I noted in my pretrial statement, but some conversations regarding guideline numbers have been discussed between Ms. Matusko and Mr. Austin. The more complicating factor is that there are two co-defendants, one of which has already been charged, that's Alexis Rogan. Ms. Rogan's case is still pending in 54A. And because she's not in custody, she has been pushed a number of times due to the way Ray is handling their felony matters. But otherwise, that's sort of the best status I can give you. Unless the court has any other more specific questions I can probably address.
And I do have a pretrial form from back in March.
Okay.
But I'll just call that negotiations continuing. Is that right, Mr. Austin?
That is correct, Your Honor. And Ms. Matusko, on behalf of the people, did reach out to me via email. Looks like she sent that to me late last night. I read it this morning, so I have not had an opportunity to discuss that yet with Mr. Suttle, because I had not received that yet when I did speak with him yesterday afternoon. But I think that is correct at this point. I would just say negotiations will be continuing.
Okay, then that will conclude our pretrial conference. And Mr. Suttle, you can tell them they're at the jail that you're all set.
Okay.
Thank you.